Hello friends, welcome to Efficient Manufacturing coverage of IMTEX 2023. My name is Sanjay and we have with us TK Ramesh, Managing Director of Micromatic Machine Tools.
Hello, Sanjay.
Considering that IMTEX is happening after 4 years, how are you how are your plans of participating in it?
There's a lot of energy and enthusiasm. People were sick of online exhibitions, seminars, and things like that. So the turnout has been extremely good. From a company perspective, from a visitor perspective, so far that it's the fourth day now. So the crowds have been good. A lot of business has been happening. So we are all very, very excited.
Could you guide us through the tools that have been displayed at IMTEX?
Yeah, we have 32 machines here. In addition to our standard CNC lathes and machining centers, we've got a lot of new technology here. We've got 3D printer, a 3D metal printer which is being made for the first time in the country, and we also won the Best Design Award for it. You could see it at front of our booth. We've got a lot of work that we've done in the IIoT of things, and that's a big booth that we've got this time. We've got some hybrid technology for die manufacturing on the machining centers. We've got horizontal machining centers. We've got a multitasking machine both in turning and in milling, which could take care of complex parts for the aerospace industry. So all in all, a lot of new technology, and we are trying to equip ourselves so that our customers can move to the next level of technology.
I'll now hand it over to my colleague Sagar Tamhane, who will be taking the interview.
I'll continue from where Mr. Sanjay stopped. So, what are the new sectors in India which look very promising to you? I mean, which are the sunshine sectors, I would say?
See, aerospace is definitely becoming a good sector. As we are all aware, it was automotive that was driving, but now general engineering, a lot of the infrastructure, there's a lot of investments that are happening in the energy, power. So these sectors are definitely coming up. But ultimately, from a manufacturing perspective, the success is going to be making the SME successful. There's a lot of manufacturing of different sectors, like what happened in the auto, that is expected to happen in the MSME. So the biggest challenge, I believe, is going to be hand-holding MSME, skilling the MSME, because investments, technology, all that are available. And India perhaps is one of the few shining spots from a global perspective. And with politically what's happening in China, we believe that more and more work is going to come from a manufacturing perspective to India.
So, with that note, do you see India hitting a $5 trillion USD much ahead of 2030?
I don't want to put my neck on the block from a time perspective. Will we hit? We'll definitely hit. Okay. Will it happen a year before or a year after? Depends on many, many things. But definitely we will hit the 5 trillion. We hope that it would be on target.
Yeah. We are very optimistic about it. Just to move ahead with my next question is, how do you remotely monitor your machines using the services what you have mentioned, empowering shop floors and to complete the product lifecycle management?
We developed a system of connecting all shop floor assets.
Okay.
Not just what we make, but that could be made by any company. It is brand agnostic.
Yeah.
So we have a solution of hardware and software. This hardware can connect to CNC machines, standard machines, any kind of equipment. And from the signals, we are able to understand the working of the machine, the stopping of the machine, such that maintenance, predictive maintenance, preventive maintenance, counting of the number of parts that have been done, quality parameters, all of that data is collected. We have a strong software engine that could present this data in a decision-making manner to the operators, the supervisors, and of course to the owners and the managers of these shop floors. So this is what we are calling as the AMG, that's the Ace Micromatic Group, Manufacturing Internet of Things. We've got a huge booth up front, and this we believe is going to be a big game changer in manufacturing, and we should be able to handhold our customers in a very, very cost-effective and a holistic manner.
Okay. Any ideas or any thoughts on the PLI schemes which are introduced by the government? How are you benefiting from that?
See, the PLI schemes are largely for the electronics and for people making products and exporting products. Now, they need If that has to happen, then it has to happen on machines and equipment. So that way we believe there will be a spill-off effect. But is there a PLI scheme for the manufacturing or the machine tool sector? There is nothing. So we are trying to work together and give some suggestions through our associations so that the government could work on it.
Any number you throw about the number of orders which you have got as of now?
See, actually, IMTEX, yes, we do book a lot of orders. From what I've been talking to my colleagues, I believe in the last 3 years, in the last 3 days, in the last 3 days, we have picked up fair amount of orders. The order booking somewhere is about 18 to 20 crores is the anticipated orders. Of course, some orders get concluded at IMTEX, but this is more a platform where we showcase our brand, where our customers can see us, compare us with the competition. We can see competition can see us. So it's a much bigger exhibition than just the question of collection of orders. So we definitely believe that in the next 1 year, because of IMTEX and because that we are here and with our earlier connects, maybe we will connect with newer customers and generate perhaps at least 100 crores worth of machines that could be shipped over the next 1 year.
Oh, that is a very optimistic ambition what you have.
That's the kind of target that we have for ourselves.
So considering this is a Sunday, I won't take much of your time.
Thank you.
For speaking to us. With me, Sagar, Tamhane and Sanjay Jadhav, signing off with our camera person Tarun at the Ace Micromatic stall in IMTEX 2023. Thank you.